The new multi-touch and
Hi
clickable
guys,
touchpad on the face of
welcome
the
back to my
DualShock 4
channel.
wireless controller opens up
DualShock
worlds
4
of
wireless
new gameplay
controller for
possibilities for
PlayStation
both
4.
newcomers
The
and
feel,
veteran
shape,
gamers. And sensitivity of the dual analog sticks and trigger buttons have been improved to provide a greater sense of control, no matter what you play. The new multi-touch and clickable touchpad on the face of the DualShock 4 wireless controller opens up worlds of new gameplay possibilities for both newcomers and veteran gamers. The new multi-touch and clickable touchpad on the face of the DualShock 4 wireless controller opens up worlds of new gameplay possibilities for both newcomers and veteran gamers. The DualShock 4 wireless controller can be easily recharged by plugging it into your PlayStation 4 system. Phone holder bed gooseneck mount. Lamicall cell phone clamp clip for desk, flexible lazy long arm headboard bedside, overhead mount stand, compatible with Phone 12 Mini 11 Pro X's Max XRX 876 Plus, based on the pain points of similar products. Very shaky. Sags slowly after a period and can't keep a position for your phone anymore. The arm of our gooseneck phone holder for bed adopts better materials and design. It has improvements in both stability and durability. The gooseneck phone clamp mount is designed to watch Netflix hands-free while lying in bed or sofa at home, use FaceTime with families when clipped on the desk, read recipes in the kitchen, taking selfies. And it also can be an overhead phone holder for video. COWIN E7 Pro, upgraded, active noise cancelling headphones. Bluetooth headphones with microphone. Deep bass wireless headphones over ear. 30H Playtime for travel, work, TV, computer, cell phone. Professional active noise cancelling technology. Significant noise reduction for travel, work and anywhere in between. Advanced active noise reduction technology quells airplane cabin noise, city traffic or a busy office, makes you focus on what you want to hear, enjoy your music, movies and videos. The noise cancellation function can work well both in wire and wireless mode, much better sound. Proprietary 45mm large aperture drivers provide you with deep, accurate bass response. From 75 decibels to 85 decibels. The COWIN E7 Pro active noise cancelling over-ear headphones give you crisp, powerful sound and quiet that helps you enjoy your music better. My Charge Adventure Camping Portable Charger Power Bank 6700 mAh rugged outdoor external battery pack with carabiner clip, USB accessories, Bluetooth speaker, cell phone, iPhone, Android for Samsung, portable charger, ideal for providing power boosts and extending the life of your tablet, cell phone, Bluetooth speaker, e-reader or any other standard USB devices. Delivering 6700 mAh and 2.4A of shared output power for up to 2x extra battery, dual USB port camping charger. This external battery pack makes for a great travel companion to charge up to 2 USB powered devices while camping, hiking, mountaineering or adventuring, and easily stores and packs away in a small bag or backpack. Designed to withstand the most extreme outdoor conditions, splash-proof, drop-resistant and dirt-proof, while camping, hiking or mountaineering or just simply on the go. Built-in carabiner, features ability to attach included carabiner clip to your backpack, belt, harness or any secure loop so that your power source is simply an arm's length away. Dimensions, 4.4 in x 2.6 in x 1.0 in. Product weight, 0.43 pounds. Compatible with Apple iPhone 11, 11 Pro Max, XS, XS Max, XR, X, 8, 7, 6, SE, 5.
Thanks for watching video. If you are interested in this, subscribe to our channel.